men before us. We invade a beach in the name of war. This is a new age. Today we need to protect our land and our people for liberty. It won't be easy, but I expect you to achieve your objective. Matt, don't let your guns down. Blake, you're with me. Stay close. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2.
Сука, блядь!
Animal bullets! Animal bullets! Animal bullets! Animal bullets!
Another one down! Changing clip! Enemy at cover fire! We need to move right.
Animal bullets! Animal bullets! Animal bullets! Animal bullets!
Let's go! Take cover! Pull on the fire! Get cover! Cover me! I'm reloading! Hostile eliminated! Blake, take it!
Walker, this is Knight. Hostiles have fortified their position and our forces can't push through. Delta team was holding for reinforcements, but hostiles have ambushed the area.
Blake, take them out! Keep moving! We need to reach Delta Team! Sir, Delta Team's pinned, but the area ahead is swarming with hostiles. Blake, use the remote to deploy the drone. Secure this area so we can advance.
Saunders Global Security are the ones responsible for the attack. They've taken over the whole facility.
Time to move, Blake! Damn it! Stay sharp. Friendlies! Hold your fire! We know what's on the other side. Negative. Command's requested a surgical strike instead of bombarding the beach. Stack the door. Prepare for breach and clear. Once in, move to cover and neutralize all hostiles. Ready? Let's I need suppressing fire! Pick up the burn!
this anti-air battery. Even the U.S. military doesn't have these. I got this one. Get back, move! Thanks, pal. Okay, they know we're here. Get ready. Taking fire! Eliminate those tangos! Under fire, take out the hostiles!
It's clear. We need air support.
I can't deliver until that second AA vehicle is gone.
Confirmed. Let's locate and eliminate the anti-air. Hostile eliminated. No, damn. Reloading my weapon. Hit them from the side. Enemy at 12 o'clock. Tango moving. Up front. I'm taking fire. Hostile down. Hostile up front. What the? Damn. Hit them from the side. Tango moving. Up front. Hostile sighted. 12 o'clock. Flank him from the side. Grenade out. Hostile up front. Enemy neutralized. Tango killed. Hostile eliminated. Blake, grab that RPG. All right, blow up that AA vehicle.
Air support inbound. Make your way to the hotel for extraction. Your team is urgently needed at the site of the conference.
Understood. Find another way through. Damn. I'm looking back. Takedown confirmed. I'm changing clear. Flanking maneuvers. Look for alternate paths. Pushing clips. Another one down. I don't have visual. Cover me. Reloading. Please. I'm reloading. Find cover. Hostile up front. That's a kill. What the? Cover me! Reloading! I'm changing mag! Great kill! All clear!
Walker, the mercenaries have locked down the conference center. The president has been taken hostage. We've intercepted chatter indicating that the SGS mercenaries plan to execute him.
Shit! This situation isn't gonna unfucking itself! Watch out!